Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's evolve.
In today's video, we will be learning about advanced sorting the data. Today I will teach you how to apply sorting to the different levels on a same table. Firstly, we will learn it when the data is written column wise table, and secondly when the data is written in row wise data. So firstly, my requirement is that I want my data to be segregated by production quantity. That first the highest production model should be written, and then by defective quantity. So for that, firstly we need to select a table, then we need to go to our custom sorting function. So here, as it is asking sort by, that how we want to sort our data. So firstly I want to sort it by production quantity. In which order? Is it largest to smallest or smallest to largest? So I want to sort it by largest to smallest and then hit OK. So as you can see, it has sorted my data from largest to smallest, but defective quantity is still not sorted. So we'll go again back to custom sorting and we will add level here. When we will add the level, it is saying sort by production quantity and then by. So after sorting by production quantity, I want the data to be sorted by defective quantity from largest to smallest, then hit OK. So as you can see, my model L and model K has been produced with the same quantity 9735, but model L has highest defective quantity out of model L and K. So model L is coming at number 1. Now we will apply same sorting in this data. So for that we have to select the table and then we need to go to our custom sorting. Before sorting the data, as you can see, it is selecting A, B, C, D. When I will come here, it is showing me that how you want to sort data, but I don't want to sort it by columns. We want to sort it by rows from left to right. So we will go to options and we will select sort left to right, hit OK. As you can see, now instead of columns here it is coming row. So how we want to sort? I want to sort it by row 21st. How I want to sort it out? I want to sort it out by largest to smallest, and then I want to sort it by row 21 in the same order, largest to smallest, and then hit OK. So as you can see, my data is now sorted in row wise direction. My model L is produced highest quantity and model K, whereas model L has the highest defective quantity and then model K. So I hope you find this video interesting and useful, and you will use it in your routine work, and it will help you to sort out your data. And if you have any query regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section below. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe the video.